Hey guys, I'm excited to share the mountain bikes in this video. After much research, I found these products helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Serif. Serif New Aero Design Black Color Disc Carbon Bike is a cutting-edge carbon bicycle designed to deliver exceptional performance and speed. With its aerodynamic design and advanced carbon construction, this bike is engineered for optimal efficiency on the road. Here are the key specifications of this remarkable carbon cycling machine. The bike features a lightweight and rigid carbon fiber frame, which offers a superb strength-to-weight ratio. Carbon fiber construction provides excellent stiffness, responsiveness, and vibration-damping properties, resulting in enhanced power transfer and a smoother ride. The bike incorporates an aerodynamic design, optimizing airflow and reducing drag for increased speed. The sleek and streamlined frame shape reduces air resistance, allowing riders to cut through the wind with ease, ultimately resulting in improved performance. Equipped with high-performance disc brakes, the Serif carbon bike delivers reliable and consistent stopping power in all weather conditions. Disc brakes offer superior modulation and control, ensuring enhanced safety and confidence during fast descents and challenging terrains. Number 4. ASIG. ASIG 24/26-inch Mountain Bike Speedway is a versatile and high-performance racing bicycle suitable for both men and women. Designed for cross-country riding and equipped with a soft-tail suspension system, this bike offers a smooth and comfortable experience on various terrains. Here are the key specifications of this impressive MTB racing bicycle. Frame and wheel size options. The ASIG Mountain Bike Speedway is available in two wheel sizes, 24 and 26 inches, allowing riders to choose the size that best suits their preferences and height. The frame is constructed from a durable and lightweight material, providing strength and agility on the trails. Soft tail suspension. The bike features a soft tail suspension system, which helps absorb shocks and vibrations encountered on rough and uneven surfaces. This enhances rider comfort, control, and stability, making it suitable for cross-country and off-road racing. Shifting options. The ASIG Mountain Bike Speedway offers multiple speed options, ranging from 21 to 30 speeds, depending on the specific model. Number 3. Tsunami. Fixie fixed-gear bike Tsunami Track is a high-performance racing bicycle designed for riders who appreciate the simplicity and speed of a single-speed fixed-gear setup. With its lightweight construction and customizable features, it offers a thrilling and personalized riding experience. Here are the key specifications of this exceptional track bike. The SNM 100 aluminum alloy frame provides a perfect balance of strength and lightness, ensuring optimum performance on the track. The frame geometry is designed for responsiveness and agility, allowing riders to navigate sharp corners and accelerate quickly. The bike features a single-speed fixed-gear drivetrain, offering direct power transfer and a connected feel to the road. This setup allows riders to maximize their pedaling efficiency and control through a fixed rear cog. The 700C wheel size is standard for track bikes, providing a smooth and fast-rolling experience. It allows riders to maintain high speeds with minimal effort and provides excellent traction on the track. Number 2. Gordit. Gordit 21-inch frame aluminum alloy mountain bike is a versatile and durable bicycle designed to handle a variety of terrains and riding styles. With its high-quality components and innovative features, it offers a smooth and reliable riding experience. Here are the key specifications of this impressive mountain bike. The bike features a lightweight and robust 21-inch aluminum alloy frame. This provides strength and durability while keeping the overall weight of the bike manageable for enhanced maneuverability. Equipped with a suspension fork, the bike absorbs shocks and bumps, ensuring a comfortable ride on uneven terrains. It enhances control and stability, making it suitable for both off-road trails and city streets. The Gordit mountain bike boasts a 10-speed drivetrain, offering a wide range of gears for efficient pedaling and smooth shifting. This allows riders to tackle various inclines and terrains with ease. The bike features double-oil disc brakes, providing reliable and responsive stopping power in all weather conditions. Number 1. Miadr. Miadr 26-27.5-inch soft-tail mountain bike is a high-performance mountain bike designed for adults seeking an exhilarating off-road riding experience. With its advanced features and durable construction, it is built to tackle rugged terrains and downhill trails with ease. Here are the key specifications of this impressive bike. The bike features a lightweight and sturdy aluminum alloy frame that provides strength and durability while keeping the weight down for better maneuverability. Equipped with a soft tail suspension system, the bike offers excellent shock absorption and stability on rough terrains. This ensures a smooth and comfortable ride even on challenging downhill sections. The Miadr mountain bike is available in two wheel size options: 26 inches and 27.5 inches. This allows riders to choose the size that best suits their preferences and riding style. The bike boasts an 11-speed drivetrain, providing a wide range of gears for tackling various inclines and terrains.